Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Excel file so conversion is smooth. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and Drive. Next, inspect the workbook, remove or note macros, check named ranges, and save as XLSX. Once done, upload the file to Drive by dragging it into the browser or using new right arrow file upload. Make sure the upload finishes. You'll see the file in Drive. This step gets you into the conversion flow fast and avoids surprises later. Now you convert and inspect. Right-click the uploaded XLSX and choose Open with right arrow Google Sheets. This creates a preview. Then use File right arrow Save as Google Sheets to make an editable Google native copy. You need to check why some formulas or date formats changed. Compare key sheets, update locale if separators differ, and fix pivot tables by re-adding ranges. Make sure named ranges and data validation transferred. If not, recreate them. These middle steps ensure functionality and maintain layout before sharing. Finish by setting sharing and verifying functionality. Share the Google Sheet via the Share button. Pick People, set edit or comment rights, and copy the link as needed. Test critical calculations and charts. When satisfied, you can download back to Excel via File right arrow Download, right arrow Microsoft Excel. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to check locale and decimal separators, then replace unsupported Excel-only functions with Google Sheets equivalents. If needed, restore from the original upload and retry conversion to preserve data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.